Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and आज का वीडियो है Nykaa haul video and I have a lot of stuff with me. Such a big box I have received. I'll show you quickly one by one all the products, and some of the products are the ones that I wanted to give it a try, and there are a lot of products which I have restocked. एंड आप मेरे पहले के नायका हॉल्स में भी देखोगे वो प्रोडक्ट्स को. मतलब मैं रीस्टॉक तब करती हूँ जब मुझे वो प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड काम करता है मेरे फेस या बॉडी या जिस भी चीज़ के लिए मैंने लिया होता है. एंड या so I'm gonna show you one by one. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so the packaging that they given is like very nice. I have opened it, that's why it looks like this. But every product is like, you know, wrapped in a bubble sheet. Each and every product, like the smallest product is also covered. So it's great so that, you know, product टूटता नहीं है कभी भी. And yeah, so this is the Plum Body Loving Sugar Body Scrub. It's in Vanilla Vibes flavor. And I have used Dove Scrub, Coffee Scrub, and now I wanted to give it a try for the Plum one. And to be honest, कॉफ़ी जो एम कैफीन वाला कॉफ़ी स्क्रब है, आई लाइक यूजिंग इट अ लॉट बिकॉज इवन दो टैन मेरे को जैसे उसने निकाल के नहीं दिया है, बट द सॉफ्टनेस दैट इट गिव्स ऑन माई बॉडी इज़ लाइक ऑन अनदर लेवल. सो आई लव दैट स्क्रब. डव वाला जो है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी जेंटल सॉर्ट ऑफ स्क्रब, बट इट्स अ बिट इन अ प्राइसियर साइड. सो आई डिडंट bought it again because I wanted to try the cheaper versions of different brands. So Plum का मैंने यूज़ किया है, मतलब मंगाया है, and reviews अच्छे थे, that's why मंगाया है. So let's see कैसा आता है. Like, you know, you can see the gap in here. Like उस gap से I can see that half of the product is not there. मतलब आधा चिपक गया है ऊपर and some stuff like that. So like, and it's costly, like it's for 400. So it is costly, definitely. Like the actual MRP is 550, but I think 400 कुछ का मिला है. And yeah, after trying it, then only I can recommend you. But I've got this one, and I hope it is, you know, a great scrub. Second is my like absolute favorite thing, which is Multani Mitti. And this is, I think, my 6th, 7th box. I don't know how much I have ordered this. Like I have ordered it like this brand actually suits me, to be very honest. And yeah, that's the reason why I order only this one. You can get any brand's Multani Mitti powder, but मुझे ये वाला अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, this is the bio-organic one, and there are a lot of different, like, you know, orange peel and Moroccan rose clay. Okay, there are a lot of different names. And yeah, so they have those variants too, but I have the Multani Mitti one. And next is the Mama Earth onion hair mask, and this is my 3rd tube, and I love this mask. Even though, you know, like definitely the results take time, but after like मैं जब बाल धोती हूँ तो my hair are like so soft. Like even now it's like the 3rd or 4th day and my hair are like very soft. Like, you know, my hair used to be very rough, but the hair after using this hair mask, my hair has been amazing. Like hair fall control, definitely there might be, but I couldn't see a drastic change to it like yet. But I'm constantly using it, so let's see like if it works or not. Like definitely it might have worked a bit, but like, you know, it takes time, everything takes time. So yeah, this is my 3rd tube, and I really wanted this to be restocked, so I got this. There are small size version of this too for your trial purpose. If it suits you, then you can go for the bigger version. I did the same thing. Next thing is totally random, and this is the Nykaa Get Love Even Ridge Filter nail paint. Now this is not a nail paint, it's like for your healthy nails, and it's a bit in a whitish transparent shade. Let me show you. This is how it looks like, and it's, you know, if you apply it, you know, your nails look like you have applied like a very light, gentle base on your nails. And yeah, it especially for healthy nails, like for healthy nails, to get healthy nails. So I got them for this purpose only. And as you can see, I have very small nails. Like मेरी जो nail की growth है, that's very slow. And slow in the sense, even though they come out to be big, I just... So yeah. Okay, so the next product is like very useful. And it's the Dove Care Between Washes Dry Shampoo. Now, dry shampoo is something I always wanted to use because, you know, there are some days where I don't feel like, you know, washing my hair because the first day of washing is like very rough. जिस दिन आप पहले दिन जब आप बाल धोते हो, so it's like very frizzy for me too. So I just feel like, you know, if I want to shoot some video but my hair are oily, I just can't. So I have to wash my hair and all. So it's a very nuisance for me. So I got this dry shampoo. I won't use it like hamesha, like not regularly, but like it's for emergency basis. Yeah. मैं मिनिमलिस्ट का वो डार्क स्पॉट रिडक्शन वाला यूज़ करती हूँ हमेशा से. एंड सडनली जब मैं ढूंढ रही थी वो प्रोडक्ट तो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. बट देन आई केम टू नो कि दे हैव चेंज्ड द आउटर पैकेजिंग ऑफ दैट. ओके, एंड वो जो उन्होंने एक फ़ोटो डाली थी जिसमें वो पुराना प्रोडक्ट था एंड दे हैड गिवन बिफोर आफ्टर. सो देन मैंने रिकग्नाइज किया कि येस, दिस इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट दैट आई यूज टू यूज़, बट आई कुडंट फाइंड इट. But the product का ऊपर वाला packaging was changed. Like I always used to guess my product with that line, red color की line बनी होती थी इसके ऊपर, but इसमें yellow थी. So I thought like yellow color का नहीं था मेरा वाला, but they had changed the packaging. So वो जो dark spot reduction के लिए I used before. Okay, so the product I use is Alpha Arbutin 0.2% face serum with a lot of products, hyaluronic acid. Reduces pigmentation and spot for all skin type. And after that, you know, after you get a pimple and वो dark spot छोड़ जाता है, so it helps a lot to reduce that. And I have personally used it with my desi masks and all. So you can also try this. Yeah. First, the box used to be of black color, but now it's in white. Also, my absolute favorite lipstick, I restocked it. And it's a nude lipstick and I love this one so much. Like it's for 120 or something, and the way it looks on my face is like wow. Yeah, so this is the shade. It's a very pretty shade, and wait, let me tell you, I mix it with Renee Gloss, this one. I use my lipstick and on the top of it I use few drops of this gloss and just mix it, and oh my god, how pretty it looked. So I totally love it. So this was about to get over, so I got a restock for this one. I got my absolute favorite mascaras, and one is the Swiss Beauty mascara and other is Hyper Curl mascara, and both of them I love. And this one is like non-waterproof and this one is waterproof, so I got both. Why am I fumbling? Both of these. Next is the Fit Me concealer, and the shade that I use is 36 Golden, but it is unavailable a lot of time. So my backup shade is 25 Medium. Okay, so this is what I got as a restocked. And I also got a beauty blender for myself, and this is like very soft and very cheap. Like I got it for 100 rupees or something. And I don't invest in pricey blenders because they get, you know, dirty in no time and then get spoiled after washing it frequently. So there, you know, material starts coming out when you apply your makeup. So I think that buying a cheaper one is better than buying an expensive one and then वो भी खराब हो जाएगा. So like, you know, wasting. Next I got my favorite eyeliner, Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold eyeliner, and I love this liner so much. I used to apply the Lakme one. That one is also great, but this one like dries up very quickly. So I love this one a lot. You can also check it out. It's a bit pricier than the Lakme one, like 100 or 200 rupees up, but definitely worth your money. Okay, so the last product for this haul is this Mama Earth Avocado and Vitamin E lipstick. And you might have seen this lipstick a lot. this is how it looks. And I also got it in the shade 08 Pink Tulip. And wait, okay, I have broken this a bit, like the upper part. I had broken it up, but then I put that broken part on the top of it, and then I used to apply it, so now it's joined. So like the hack. And yeah, wait, now it's not going in. Yeah, okay. Wait, I think the lipstick is defective. I hope you like this haul video. It's like quite huge haul for me after so long. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.